among all the players ya link omo to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no opedienka orderly and I say by first come by first serve process nanka wasenka Kotoko sign na nanka a Prince Kobna Wusu of Baby and Eagle Star because Kobna Wusu in the league you butcher mu no your ball first round no we no e na Kotoko chase any ni din komanka deal no e coming through ya both season na wie I'ma say, ye baby run new season. Mokotoko assign about 6 players. Na among the 6 players, no Prince Kobna Wusu Edin Yamai. Kotoko is expecting to sign about 10 or 11 players. And as a 12 cry. Na Prince Kobna Wusu deal no intimate and materialize as we speak. Na information can cry at any say in Sensembi Ewoho and Untina deal no. Intimi and go through as we speak no na ye bowra mu no emunchiremu ayate no na ye de ebrew ewo super 24 TV no so information we ase enya to hope 24/7 na ye twatum amaw ewo fia Prince Kobna Wusu forward inti expect say oba beka Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman yes so far forward sa Kotoko assign no na Elvis Cheba for Awuche ono krade ya untimi nka se oye full-fledged forward even though say oda animu ho ba Prince Kobna Wusu striker no o say obone ball no ti say eto enti ye heard him say obejoin ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko but the etwe bayira ho wan kakra ne say ne kwaze de bia asemu mektaka ne contract with Baby and Eagle Stars no ankasa no ebewu next month inti Kotoko ntimi enkofa player ni street na Baby and Eagle Stars for no agents football agents na omo the players ne kwa amono ne ade no e de office akoma Baby and for ne say omanya clubs amano e na player na nkasa nso omo de office di bia akoma ne say omanya clubs amano with a very juicy omo agent for no tembia the juicy office and omo de call but player no nso edi kan ka say obebo Kotoko as we speak the contract with Baby and enyanwe iti Kotoko for person omo very careful na oboye say ade no ombetwa ma ade na enya awu na player na enya ye properly document no why free agent no omakofa no personal terms with Kotoko oni Kotoko awie but as we speak we remain Baby and Eagle Stars players no and agent for ne nam ho say nka omode sa good offers ne be kwa convince Baby and for na as player na nkasa na omode de call sa amono ne clubs ya omunhye nde twatew but sikasem na omode haye players no nti nchemu no